I just wanted to do a follow-up video on face mask in Pennsylvania. I know people have been asking me questions on my email and texting me questions about this face mask requirement and criminal penalties. And I just wanted to put out there with regards to the face mask being required in the sense that can a store deny you access? Technically, they can, but there is an exception. You should understand that if for some reason medically you could not wear a face mask because you have breathing issues, obviously I'm not a doctor, I can't give you any medical advice, but if you have a condition in which a doctor tells you that wearing a face mask will somehow affect you physically, you don't have to wear one in Pennsylvania. That is actually an exception that is not known widely for some reason, but there is that exception. And a business that in which you are going to buy food, medical supplies, cannot deny you access if you tell them that you're not wearing a face mask for medical reasons. Now, they can simply tell you, well, you can't enter the store. We will bring everything out to you. They can do that. So that's what a business should do. But if a business is simply telling you that we're not going to let you in and we're not going to give you an alternative to pick up your food, your medical supplies, that's not right. They can't do that. So just be aware of that. I think a lot of people, there's a lot of information out there and people are just simply misinformed. You should just keep that in mind. With regards to an employee, if you are an employee now in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, your employer has to give you a face mask as a condition of your employment. If you are an employer and you're letting your employees make their own face mask or bring something from home, you must make sure that mask is compliant. The fact that it looks great, it's decorative, it's decked out like the Eagles logo, the Phillies logo, or has some design, that's fantastic. But the issue is it compliant? And I do know that Pennsylvania and New Jersey are doing random checks of businesses. In addition, be aware that there's other requirements on businesses to make sure that they are setting up their store in such a way that they are maintaining the 6-foot requirement. For instance, the cashiers have to be every other cashier. There have to be signs posted throughout the store. And also the employers have to impose mandatory hand washing every hour, and that has to be scheduled. So these are all things that should be imposed on that an employer should take into account. I'm not an employment lawyer, I'm a criminal defense lawyer, but I'm just simply putting out information for people to be aware. Obviously, if you're an employer, an employee, a patron of one of these businesses, if you are cited, you're going to want to contact our law firm and speak to us about what you can do and your rights. Once again, don't assume the case isn't serious because you're not being arrested or the officers telling you it's not a big deal, it's all going to pass. Again, respectfully to the police, that isn't their job. Their job is to enforce the law, and it stops there. So if you are cited, you want to go to your lawyer, speak to him. If you have questions, please call our law firm at 215-755-9000. We are here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week through this and even after it. If you have questions, we're more than happy to answer. Our website, you have the ability to text us questions if you have them. And finally, as always, you can email me at alfonso@gambonelaw.com. I hope that you and your family are staying safe and you're doing the best that you can. And I hope to speak to you soon. Thanks.